Hello everyone, welcome back to Mary's Plans and Budgets, and today I want to do a debt tracker update, and it's gonna be a bad one. I'm letting you guys know it's gonna be a bad one. It really is, and you'll see why. So we're just gonna place the washi down, and once again my budgeting kit is from Karla May. I really love her budgeting kit, so I'm gonna keep buying from her. I really love her kit. And then we have our debt here. I decided to do this washi instead of this one or this one is because it goes with the savings. It has the black here and it has right here and has the green, and it's very cohesive. So I'm gonna do that one, and then we do our debt first here. So we have our debt here. That's gonna be our debt tracker. I hope I placed that. I think it might be a little bit off, but I can't tell honestly. And some of my stickers are very not straight, but it's okay. They don't bug me that much, at least for now. They really don't. Okay, so we have that, and then we have here our balance, our debt, our minimums, and our extra or additional. So we're gonna do this real quick, and we're just gonna add what we have, and it's gonna go from biggest amount to the lowest, even though we're paying the lowest amount to the biggest, but I like keeping the biggest here on top and lowest on the bottom. So this is how we're gonna do it. We have car, payment. And I know what you guys are gonna say. Why a car payment? Why did I added a car payment? Really, our truck, our only car, was messing up, and we want to take care of that truck. We were on a trip and it was leaking brake fluid. We fixed it, and we changed a new battery on it. We fixed that. The tire pop, so we had to change the tire, and we fixed it. But I'm gonna have two jobs, and we need two vehicles because my husband is gonna be on my first job, because we both work together in my first job, and sometimes he'll be over there, and then sometimes, like today, today's Tuesday, I worked at my second job today, and he worked at our first job today. So we needed to be at different places, and we needed a car, but we needed a gas saving car. So we got a new car, and we decided to get it, and we figured we were gonna pay it off as well. So we're adding that. I'm so sorry. I feel disappointed myself, and I feel disappointed at you guys, but it's gonna be okay. I promise it'll be okay. So that balance is 38 with 330.25. So it's 38,330 with 25. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Our upgrade loan is 19,607 with 33. Our Amazon is 2,652 with 80. Maria's Quicksilver, and this is the one that got higher. I'm so sorry, but we really had to use it, and now it's at 2,343 with 25. I'm so sorry. I didn't want to use it, but we had to, and I figured it'll be okay. Home Depot is 1,247. Sorry, 47. Oh, I'm gonna have to use whiteout. I didn't want to use whiteout, but I'm gonna have to, because that looks like a 9. It's 47 with 68. Then we have Bernie's Quicksilver and that one's gonna have 758 with 38. Then we have Hot Topic, and I used my Hot Topic again. I'm sorry, but I really love going to Hot Topic, and I probably shouldn't have. The only reason why I went to the mall is to like have my last few days with my daughter, and I wasn't gonna go, but she really wanted to go. We went, and then we go to Hot Topic, and then it turns into something else. And yeah, and then it goes Maria's Platinum next, and that has 345 with 64. Then we have Walmart, and Walmart is 330 with 60. Then we have an upgrade credit. So the same loan company gave us a credit card, which we shouldn't have accepted, but we did, and we used that for emergency that we had. I wrote it down to remember, but I don't remember. It was an emergency, and we had to use that, and I think it had to do with a car, and so we used that. Then we have Samsung Finance, and that is 221 with 14. Okay, so that is pretty much it. We don't have the shell card because I zeroed that out. If you can see on my February one, I did an extra pay. It did went up, and so I decided to pay it off. So that's the first one we did, and now we don't have it here. So now we're just gonna add all these totals up real quick. And I have to hurry because I still have to go to the gym, and then I'll finish the video when I come back. Not this video, well, it'll be okay. So we have that, and then we're just gonna put our lines here real quick. And I didn't put it in the beginning because I didn't know how many spaces I was gonna need. So we're just gonna do it like that. And I am super excited already to work and pay these off. I am working 2 jobs, and it is kind of hard, but I'm going. It's a sacrifice that I have to make for this year. So the total is 66,726 with 75. And you might be thinking, what happened? It was lower. Last month it was 26,905 with 45, and this month is 66,726 with 75, and it's because we added that card payment. I'm sorry, once again, I'm so sorry. The minimum in this one is 690 with 85, 1,019 with 05, 75 for Amazon, 30 for the Quicksilver, 32 for Home Depot, 25 for Bernie's. Hot Topic is 30, 25 for my Platinum, 28 for Walmart, 10.28 for the upgrade loan, and 7.74 for that one. The total is 1,972 with 92. And that's pretty much it for that one. Oh yeah, like if I'm so sorry that I added more, I really am. But this payment doesn't come out until April. It does not come out until April, but I am putting it in my budget now because I don't want to wait till last minute to put it in my budget on April. So I'm putting it now. Also, this upgrade credit card, that payment isn't due until April, but I'm going to add it now because I want to add it from now. Like I said, this is pretty much like I'm starting all over again, and I'm just gonna do that for now. Now we're gonna do our savings here, and I'm actually gonna do, let's see, I'm gonna do this washi here, put it right here, because it goes with it. And then I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do this washi here to go as for savings. There's. And then we're gonna put savings tracker here. And we're gonna actually I'm gonna put it more down because I do have space to put that. So we're gonna put it right here. Then we're gonna do our dates here. Did I get the wrong one? I did. I got the wrong one. No, never mind. She didn't update this until April. Okay, never mind. This is the same one. I was thinking of something else. Okay, and this time for our savings, we're doing 2 lines because we're gonna do my sons and daughters from the beginning of the year. So we're gonna do as our starting balance. So we're gonna put Haiti and then Bernie. Then we're gonna do Junior in parentheses. And I'm gonna use my small ruler here. And then here. So, right now, what they have is, let me check real quick. Give me just 1 second. Okay, I had to go get their binder here, the binder, the savings and sinking funds binder. And Haiti has right now 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 15. Haiti has 115 as a starting balance. And then Junior has 10, 20, 30, 40, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59. So we're going to count them real quick just to make sure. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So we have 59 in juniors. And that's pretty much how I'm going to change it for now. Well, now, from starting now. So junior has 59. And we're going to keep it separated for now until I do it at the end of the month to see how much we add during the month. So we're gonna have it like that. And well guys, that's pretty much it for this video. The debt tracker, our debt, what we have paid off and what we added. And I am so sorry once again that I had to do this. Actually, down here, I'm going to write real quick. I'm going to put another piece of washi here so it won't look too... And I'm going to put this one because it goes with this one. So I'm going to put this washi here. And I'm just gonna have a total here for this one. A beginning balance, I guess. So we have 115 plus 59 equals 174 together, and that's what they have. That's what we have. That's all the savings we have for now. And I will put emergency, but emergency fund is already, I should have put that. I should, but no, we're just gonna leave it like that for now. I'm sorry. I should have put emergency fund in here because it is a savings, but if anything happens, it will get used up. So I'm just gonna leave it like that for now, and maybe in next month I'll put it emergency fund here, but we're just gonna leave it like that for now. And this is pretty much what it looks like. We have our debt, and we did increase our debt. I'm so sorry, and we're gonna pay this off. I promise I'll try to my best, hence why I got the second job. But this is pretty much what it looks like. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment if you would like, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much once again. Bye.